What's up, guys? This is gonna be another pretty quick vlog today, as we have only 3 hours at this park. We are at Alläu Skyline Park near Munich. There's like 7 coasters here, I believe. The biggest one being Alläu Skyline coaster. So pretty much every coaster here is either Mauer or SPF Visa. So yeah, we only have like 3 hours here. It's gonna be pretty rapid fire. I'm not sure if they're going to allow me to use my GoPro or not. We'll find out on the first ride. But there's a Skyline Park over there. Let's go in it. So like right off the bat, I mean, this park is, the scenery, like the greenery and trees are cute, but it seems kind of run down. I mean, we've come across a few areas that, yeah, it looks like the former rides, like right here, like something used to go here, there's just nothing here. Yeah, this is definitely the most interesting park that we've done on this trip so far, because like now this is a big grass field in the middle of the park with a trampoline over there, and then Skyloop over there, which we're going to do that first, because I think that's going to be Blake's 400th coaster.
Number 400, let's
Blake's
go.
400th.
Number 400. Let's get it, baby. Finally, an actual memorable coaster. Super rare. Oh, God. Oh! Oh! That's nuts. Oh, my God, now we're wide. Oh! Oh! Oh, it's so bad. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Great. We're gonna catch you. Oh! Horrifying. Oh!
How was 400, Blake?
What in God's name was that?
And I was telling him the one at Magic Springs was somehow more janky than that was.
That was really sketchy.
It was funny, our second time around, he just sent us a third
He said
time.
it's the third time. How do you do that? I didn't even know you could do that.
I guess they just manually control it, that's funny. Fitting for this park, because so far it's been pretty janky here. Alright, we got like 6 other credits to get here, so let's knock them out. Alright, rain ride on an SPF Visa? Because why not?
Whoa! Oh! I see Mauer spinner. Send us around like twice.
How are we having fun, Blake?
I hate these visas. Oh, God.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
Like, why?
What is happening?
Spinning is actually like...
Yeah, it looks good.
Oh, God. It's too bad it sucks. Get this up, please. Thank you. There it goes.
Alright, yeah, that was probably the most jank SPF Visa I've ever done in my life. The wheels were corroding, and some of the wheels weren't even aligned with the rail, so that's fun.
That was dookie.
Yeah, that was a little bit dookie, so on to the next. So like, why is there like a cornfield in the middle of this park? And then right next to it is a rapids ride with an elevator lift. What is this place? And a dude spitting out water over there. Like what? I've never seen that on a rapids ever. Blake is very just, I got like the tail end of that.
Why does this have over the shoulder restraint?
Yeah, this is interesting. This is another SPF Visa coaster, but this is like, I've never seen this model before.
How you entered it?
Yeah, it's just mulch. Again, what is this place? So it's like they're trying to be over the shoulder restraints, but they're not quite there, but interesting. Yeah, it actually is kind of comfy. Hopefully it's not padded for a reason.
I really hope not.
Oh! Whoa! What?
Oh my God, so rough.
That's not a good sign. Oh no. Okay. Oh, maybe turn it on. Oh. Whoa. Oh! What? Oh! Airtime?
The worst thing I've ever gone. Oh! Okay, we're good. Wait, oh, rocket! Oh!
What is this thing? What is that over there? now. We go backwards. That actually looks kind of fun.
It does.
Oh my god. So yeah, that was again another occurrence.
Like it wasn't like awful, but like the track itself was pretty smooth. But then the transitions,
Yeah,
man, like
every transition was like bang, bang, bang.
bam,
Yeah.
slam,
Little jar.
and like the whole train, like you could feel it like lifting up when it hit the drive tires.
All right, we got another Mauer. We got a Mauer spinner, laugh track clone.
Also, another coaster that looks absolutely abandoned.
Just the pathway to get back here is like, are we going to the right place? We got a dead end over here. All right, let's see what happens. All right, this looks pretty jank. Oh, 9.
Are we already spinning? What?
Oh, what?
Oh!
I didn't do this! Oh my god!
Ow! 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 God! Oh my! Ow! Ow!
Lord!
So bad!
Oh no.
Oh! Oh!
We're getting spinning at least!
Oh, it's so rough.
What does the profiling of this say?
Oh my god!
Brace.
Ow!
Lord. This one, I think this park cannot get more and more jank. It does. Yeah, that was by far the worst Mauer spinner that I've been on. I mean, it's fun at least. I'll give it that. More than laugh track, but
Well,
good
that's not hard
lord,
to do.
good lord, it was janky.
Terrible.
So we have SBF kiddie coaster here, and then a weird Mauer spinny thingamabobber over there. What are we doing first? Uh-oh, what's going on here? Be a coaster enthusiast. It'll be fun, they said. Travel the world, live and experience everything while you're here. And this is what we're doing with our lives. Alright, the kiddie coaster was a kiddie coaster. Nothing more to say about that, but this looks very interesting. I've never done anything quite like this before, and I don't think many of these exist, so this is a pretty rare credit. It has elevator lift, and it's a spinning thing, and suspended. Let's see how this is. Probably jank. There they go. I'm somewhat excited. Oh! Well, fitting for the day at least.
Very interesting.
It's actually pretty cool.
Brace yourself.
Oh! Away we go.
Okay.
Look at the birds just flying nowhere. Why did I get airtime on that?
So ratchet!
Why did I get airtime on that?
I'm terrified. It's cool!
This is kind of smooth.
Scary! Oh my god.
Oh! My feet just what? My feet just touched the trees. That's cool.
Is the track? I can probably touch the track with my foot.
You're very close to it.
Oh my lord.
तेरे नाल ही है ना मेरी भैन ही वो इतने सफर करना पैना यार
Oh! Oh! Oh, 9. Alright, that suspended Mauer spinning thingamajig, that was, again, a thing, an occurrence.
That was honestly my favorite ride here.
It was fun, don't get me wrong, it was fun, but mildly jank and concerning.
My god, everything here is so
And like the
sketchy.
clearances on the trees, like our feet were hitting trees, like a tree hit my head. Oh! Oh! And there's like other flat rides that look cool here, but I think we're just gonna get one last credit that we need here, then we're gonna bounce.
We're kind of, yeah, this place is kind of crap. I'm not gonna lie. Like,
Yeah, I
this is
mean,
not-
I was telling him, like, on a massive trip like what we're doing, like, everything can't be a winner.
I mean, of course, we came here for the main thing being the Mauer Skyloop,
That
which
dude,
is
yeah.
really cool. It was really cool.
I will give them that they have some very unique and rare coasters
Lot of
here.
rare stuff
I mean, that's
here,
why we came here, was because they had some unique stuff here. But that being said, they're all pretty jank.
And look at the pathway that we're walking on currently.
Yeah, it's just like gravel and...
It's just gravel, and it's just a giant open field. They could add something here if they wanted to. Are they going to? Probably not.
No, probably not.
But
it's also like in the middle of nowhere too. Like,
so
like when we
remote,
run, we're like on the outskirts of Munich, but it is still a pretty remote area.
we're on our trek back upwards to Denmark currently.
Yeah, we're on our
it's
return.
like-
We're on our return trek back to the beginning.
Anyways,
Yeah.
let's go get this last credit and leave this place, cause yeah.
Yeah. High key, the best attraction in this park.
No, I really just posted on my story. This is the best thing here.
I probably shouldn't do this with like $3,000 of camera equipment in my bag.
what an idea.
But it's fine.
These are fun though.
Okay, again, what is this park? There's a fire truck with a dude on it. What? I'm not understanding. What is this? There is no theme here. It just is. And then you got some fountains over there. Like half of them are working, and then there's a whole line over there that's not working. It's just a plot of gravel here.
What is this doing here?
Like to get to that stand, whatever that stand was, nothing there, but it's just gravel. Just gravel.
Something used to be here because there's a pathway leading to nothing.
Maybe some kind of flat used to be here. I don't know. I don't even know anymore. What is this place? Alright, so there's a store to this ride. Wait, what? Winners stay dry, losers get soaked. The end. I mean, it is raining, so I guess we are going to be losers. What is this place? This condensation on the lens. Oh! Yeah, I don't control the speed. It's just doing its own thing. Oh! Actually, some airtime. Oh! This is certainly a thing. Oh, hi, hon. Punch it. There we go. Oh my! What? What? No way! That just happened. I didn't know that either. And the theme continues. What is this place? So first of all, we love that the ride operators just literally let someone cut in front of us. What the ride was, it was fun, I guess.
It was okay.
I didn't know that we got wet on it. I guess
for some reason.
I guess that explains the story that we saw in Q, that the loser stays when the loser gets wet. Which I'm not sure how many of the losers would be on first. But okay, whatever. Anyhow, well, we got all the credits here. I'm getting out of here because this place is kind of not just. It ain't it. I don't know. I tried to put a positive spin on things, but this place just, yeah. And a ride operator literally letting someone just cut in front of us.
Yeah.
Actually, like telling them to do it. And
No, they literally held us back so they could get in front of us.
yeah, that's fun. But I wasn't about to start an argument in somebody in German because my German isn't that fluent. But yeah, I'm not even going to do a park exit montage on this because this place doesn't
Because
deserve
there's
that.
nothing to show because this park is ugly and it sucks.
Ryan proposed our ride count right there. Alright guys, we're at the video here. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next loop. Goodbye.